Good morning! Yeah, bro, what's up, guys? I'm back with the next vlog today. Gonna be late. Gonna enjoy a whole lot. Don't see that. Been up to guys. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day and amazing day. And be safe. Have a positive mindset today. Let's make today.
A black girl will come to a black. But they're not Kingston, I think. Chill. Come to do some business and thing. See, they're kind of cool and calm and collective, you see me? Because all business goes to plan and thing. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry and one thing. So I have to get some lunch and thing. Yo, but vloggers, comment and tell me if you know the location in Kingston. Lane Plaza, Ligani and thing. I want a good restaurant to eat some food. I don't even know if it's so good still. No, try one, maybe them Chinese restaurant or something. Although I never tried it before still, but probably I try one Chinese restaurant today. I don't know yet still, but probably just stick to the original Jamaican thing, you see me? Cause you don't know. Yeah man. Them people are pretty vlog and thing. Them are go tune into it, you know, cause them know about the whole vlog thing, you know, so them know all about my channel, so them are come pre-walk one and see. Yeah, I just go. But now I want to go to a Chinese restaurant because yeah, I want to come into the best thing to eat right now. And tell me. Although I kind of like Chinese restaurants still, but sometimes I don't really like it. See me? But I don't know, because sometimes them tell us them give you vote when them give you all dog and thing to eat over the Chinese place. So I really go or go over the place there, over the Chinese restaurant. I think I'm going to a public restaurant, everybody in one thing. You see me? Yeah, I'm basically in a restaurant and one thing, try to get some feed. See me? Some fish and thing then at the back, don't feel like we eat one of them fish. Eat some food now. To the fish them and thing. Now we don't eat anything and I go and chill with the fish them and thing. I must swim around and beer things, you see me? You want to watch all of them now? So I'm up him, watch him. You want to comment and tell me Chinese picture when you don't like? You want to wear it or something? This one wearing or something. Comment and tell me Chinese don't like. I get a bus and thing. Yo, Kingston full of traffic, man. 77, 75, the half pitch, now half pitch. Get a bus and thing. Bus, yeah. I don't want to take 79. So come on, 5 bus and thing. And thing is in. Big man driver them, man. So I really want driver in a town, you know. The man lit down the whole stall for a while. I want to see him. But you see, look, yo, but it's not town, no one thing, and I really like the town vibes. I like up the stairs, see me? But fuck up. Don't mess up.
No way. Yeah, big dreams when we have.
What? Yo, them people in the town park, you see, man. One of the best. Yo, the bus soon full up. Yeah, man, I need to vlog within the town park, you know, and think I chill out and think. Yeah, man. Don't want to town with there, chill. Ready to go meet in the one thing. I know you're back up there, one thing. Yo, be here enough, all I'm making my dust back with making and thing. All who know making for the vlog and thing. Be here in. That's away from much of the rain. Before me get sick. Man, they want to wake me up, you know. What me do them? Yeah, man, not none of them want to wake me up, you know. Black girl, nice day and thing. As you can see on my face, I'm very, very tired and thing. Come away from Kingston. Now I'm almost home in my community, what going on and thing. Yes, guys. For the new subscriber, them if you want to become a part of the family, please remember to like and subscribe to become part of the family. I remember we are grow together because we are one family and one team. Let's grow together and thing. Hey man, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share this video, and remember to comment on what you like and thing. Just tell me whatever you like in the comment section or whatever you don't like. Just drop a comment in the comment section below, because you only can know from who you like or whatever you like, you see me? Yeah man. Peace.